You need to watch this if you want to be a hero in an emergency. Here's how to master CPR quickly. First, check the scene for safety. Ensure it's safe for you and the victim. Next, tap the person and shout, "Are you okay?" No response? Call 911 immediately or ask someone nearby to do it. Now, position the victim on their back on a flat surface. Place the heel of one hand on the center of their chest and the other hand on top. Interlock your fingers. Keep your elbows straight and shoulders directly above your hands. Push hard and fast, about 2 inches deep at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Remember, staying calm and focused can make all the difference. You can be the one to save a life. You've got this.